Hi, welcome to Chapter 3 and 4 of Introduction to the U.S. Healthcare System. My name is Jeremy Whitaker. This is a pretty short chapter, so let's get started. Now, as you can see, there are four major stakeholders in the healthcare system. First is payers. For some reason, it's spelled with an O when we talk about healthcare. The big payers, the government, pays about half. Insurance companies pick up a lot of the rest, and a very few number of people pay cash for the healthcare system, for their healthcare. Providers are a key stakeholder, and that includes everybody from clinics and hospitals and home health care to physicians and nurses and therapists. So again, whether you're talking about provider groups or hospital groups, they'll have a fairly large stake in healthcare. Medical equipment and pharmaceuticals, so basically people who make stuff that people use. Again, a very large part of our healthcare especially goes to pharmaceuticals. And of course, you have consumers. It's the last stakeholder, people actually getting care. Now, people have the ability to vote with their wallets and go wherever they want for their care. Now, a lot of this chapter has statistics in it, and I won't go through all of them with you, but I wanted to help on a few tables. Now, table 3.3 is the total amount of healthcare paid for by the government in every country. In the United States, you'll see that's about 48.2%, I believe. Table 3.4 is what percentage of all healthcare is pharmaceuticals. It's around 12%, in the U.S. at least. Again, you can look at the table. Table 3.5 is number of physicians per thousand. Now again, take that with a grain of salt because that does not include other specialties, nurse practitioners, PAs, respiratory therapists, the like. So probably not reflective of healthcare as a whole. And then tables 3.12 and 3.13 show for females and males life expectancy at 65. So that basically, from a long-term planning perspective, if you live to age 65, you're probably going to outlive the average age. So for women, it's over 20 years. For men, it's a little under. So that's it for Chapter 3. We'll just dive into Chapter 4. Just one slide over Chapter 4. And again, this is about the government role in healthcare. Again, Medicare is the biggest payer. The government, provides about half, and it provides most of that. The main prevention agency is the CDC, and the CDC trickles down to both state and local. So a CDC grant could start at the federal government, then money goes to the state, and then money goes to local health departments. Of course, you have NIH and AHRQ as research agencies. HRSA provides grants to fill in areas of need or shortage areas. SAMHSA is actually known for providing mental health grants. So a lot of the state prevention grants at the state health department come from SAMHSA to do mental health substance abuse treatment. The FDA is a regulatory agency. They do inspections. They test things. And then, of course, CMS, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Again, they are a payer. It's a huge agency. They pay, they regulate, and after the Affordable Care Act, they also do more innovation in trying to improve cost. So, assignments for this chapter. There are 2 videos from the Khan Academy you're going to need to watch to do Assignment 3, so keep an eye out for those. Obviously, you'll need to schedule your participation with me by September 15th. Assignment 3 is going to compare the U.S. healthcare system to other countries. So again, you'll need to watch the videos, look at some of those charts from the tables from Chapter 3. And then Assignment 4 is over the movie Escape Fire. Copies of that are available in the library. So if you schedule your meeting with me in person, you can grab a copy of that while you're here at the college. Otherwise, you can find it online. Thanks and have a great day.